Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, May 7th, and this is my PM recap for the Euro-US dollar. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So anyways, we had FOMC news come out tonight. Not really a huge move, definitely considering such a big news event. Now we have a swing high right here, and then we have a lower high. So what you do is you put your Fibonacci extension from this move down, the first impulsive down, and project it off the top of the first correction right here. That gives you your Fibonacci extension. Now, if this is an A, this is a B, and this is a C, then you would expect it to turn back up at one of these three key levels. So if it does, really start to reverse here, and especially if it engulfs this 1 hour candle, then more than likely it is an ABC and more than likely it is going to go up. Now, we don't know that it's going to do that. That's what the point of this Fibonacci extension is. Because if it pushes down below these levels, especially the 138 area, then it's probably likely they're going to keep on going down, and we are likely in a much bigger pullback on the higher time frames. So pay attention to your fib levels, pay attention to structure as always, and you should be able to tell the difference between an ABC and a 123 with the help of Fibonacci extension. So anyways, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And then as always, happy trading.